make sure that I'm gonna be able to pull the stator off.
Some way we can get on there right over here. It might be right here, maybe right. It's right here, but I hate it.
Another one.
It's up around the wood there. Ain't gonna lie.
We just pulled up. Who is it? With the silent treatment? Nigga Malik didn't pull it up. I don't know what he in here. What you doing, bro? Explain to the people who been wanting to see this content for the R6. Looking at, make sure that I'm gonna be able to pull the stator off. And it seems so simple. Some people, yeah. So that's it. Just make sure all these screws and got the right tools and stuff. Yeah. Socket set. So I can pull the gas tank off, pull the gasket off. I mean, the stator out, plug and play. Thank God, cause it was right here. The other R6s, them hoes run up to here. The newer models or what? Not some of the older ones. Some of the older models run up through here, and you gotta pull the tank off, and pull the air box off. Yeah. But yeah, this one be perfect. So I put over there. What's the update on the fairings, bro? Shit, them hoes. Them hoes coming from China. They sent me I think when I sent you the picture, what was it, yesterday? Yeah. Yesterday? When I sent you that picture, is when they had sent it to me. But that's how they look already? Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to pull the picture up right here. Let's finish painting. And shit, hopefully, them hoes be here fast. You know, with COVID-19 going on. Yeah. Everything on slow, but yeah, hopefully they'll be here fast. But that's pretty much it. Yeah. Anybody want to buy a helmet? $15. Yeah, take this off. Yeah. What, the GoPro mounts? Yeah, they gonna have to do that because when you take them off, the adhesive tape, that should still be on there. So the reason I'm selling it for $15 is because, one, it's a little messed up. My brother left it out in the rain. Then it's a little rusted right here. But other than that, man, it's complete dirt bike helmet. Still got the straps if you want to buckle up. Still a good helmet. If you want to replace the top padding, that's the only thing that need done. And if you ain't real picky on, this rust, that's the only flaw that this helmet got. Malik didn't like it when he rode his R6. He said it's too big for me, but other than that, yeah. Other than that, shit, it's a cool helmet. Yeah, I love this helmet, bro. It got me through some things. I might just keep it just in case, but anybody shoot me 15, it's yours. It's yours. Last week, yeah. I don't know if I sent you a picture. I had like 5 amps in the sub. Sold them hoes all last week. Yeah. Installed. I sold them to one guy, and he took it, and he was like, hey, this amp don't work. I was like, bro, I don't sell broken stuff. So I had him pull up to the shop, and I hooked up all his shit. When he got him a good deal on some wire from some Mexicans over there. Yeah. Over Dallas. I was like, bro, don't let nobody else hook. I said, you want somebody to hook it up? Because, I don't like hooking. Well, because I hooked it up for him? Yeah, I hooked it up for him, and we hooked it up quick. Because I can do it all day, but I just don't like hooking up subs that often. It's not hard. I can show anybody how to do it quick. Mm-hmm. But I just don't like doing it, to be honest, because, I don't know. Maybe I'm just ain't that confident in my work, but that shit easy. I do it all the time. We had them out of here. So you bought the amps for cheap and sold them for more or what? So we, bought them from cheap or pull them out of some people's cars before they go to auction because where we at. Over there, but pull them out of there. Shit, sell them. I sell them for pretty cheap. Like I don't think I sold maybe more than 40, 50, 60 bucks. But shit, then I sold my rims yesterday. Mm-hmm. So the rims you got yesterday, a good amount on that. That's what's up. Got 300 for them. Y'all hit them up for the installs, man. We in Dallas. He's in Irving. So y'all want something installed on y'all's car truck? He could do it. Amps, stereo. You got a touch screen you want to put in your car? He could do it for you for a good price. Cause you know me. Cause you know him, shit. So yeah, since I don't like busting people over the head. Most people like $200. Yeah, they tax. And for me, it's like if you bring me all the stuff, give me about an hour. Every car is different how you run the wires. Right. Give me about an hour,
shit, we'll get you in and out. But for the most part, I don't like doing it because I'm just lazy.
Yeah.
Pretty much. But we still got that radio. The radio that I sent you, we still got that hoe. I think I'm gonna post that. And,
you been selling it. You gonna start your online selling business. Yeah.
Man, I got one more amp I'm trying to sell. It's a small one. Mainly for like door speakers or for like, door speakers or for a boat. And then we got that radio. I don't really hook on radios too much because shit, you gotta do a lot of cutting and other stuff. But
yeah.
Oh, this shit works. We're gonna run on it. Depending on, I got 2 sets. So depending on if I don't need both of them, we might put one set on Dad's bike.
Yeah.
And yeah, we got some lights. Got fairings coming. Frame sliders should be here today. The rear spool should be here today. Got the Stator rectifier that should be here tomorrow. Fairings coming. And that's it.
Yeah.
All
right, y'all. So, like you said, he's still waiting on the fairings, Stator, and all that stuff. I've been looking online for bikes. I seen like two R6s. One white one. It's white, red, and black. It's purely all white, but it got like red and black accents. Then the other one's yellow, and they got like black accents. The white one's 3,300, and the yellow one's $3,000 flat. Both of the bikes got titles, so I don't know if they'll be available in a few weeks when I was trying to purchase. But if not, I'll find something else.
You gonna hope?
Yeah.
They should be though. I assume they will be.
Hopefully.
Everybody ain't buying too much right now.
Yeah. So we'll see about exactly which bike. Like, I honestly don't discriminate on what brand. I wanted to go Yamaha or CBR. I was real sold on Gixxer, but they really taxing on Gixxers, and it'll be, a little while before I get one of them if I actually wanted one. So, yeah, I don't know. They be taxing, bro.
Taxing like Gixxer just a bit. Like it's a motherfucking BMW, bro.
Exactly. Yeah. But if I find one for, my price range, I'll definitely get one. I wanted to get the FZ08. But I'll probably have to wait until June. I'm not trying to, wait that long.
Cause we trying to be.
Yeah, we trying to be definitely on the road.
Next one is
next one June.
Yeah, we trying to be having everything.
Yeah,
ready
end of June, we trying to be rolling.
Like July 4th, we trying to.
Yeah, July 4th, we trying to be at the lake on our bikes. Trying to be doing a whole bunch of different stuff. We want to get the center Bluetooths. It's not a necessity right now, but we definitely want to get them so y'all could be in tune on what we talking about while we on the road. My internal mic, think probably Friday I'll order my internal mic. Like I said, I'm not in a rush to get my mic just because I ain't on my bike yet. And just because, shit, I really don't got shit to talk about right now, man. When I get on my shit, I'm going to have a whole bunch of shit to talk about. But, y'all just stay tuned. I'm not ending this video. I'm just giving y'all a little intro. Malik update on his bike. And shit. See y'all tomorrow. My boy replacing Stator. Already replaced it pretty much.
Yeah, I just set the fucking thing down again. Alright, I gotta get to a shop.
What happened?
I can't keep up with all this shit without the fucking magnet thing.
Without the what?
Without the magnet plate that you set screws in.
Yeah. You missing some stuff?
This is the one. Set it down. It's not it. That's not it. Yeah, that's not it. That's not it. I think this is it, though. I don't know what to do. Go to Home Depot and grab something. Right. Let me see. I'm probably gonna take the with me, to be honest. I don't be familiar.
Bro, you pretty much a mechanic, bro. If you don't want other people touching your bike.
Every case. Every. But probably next week. Probably gonna bring it closer to me.
Oh, you about the story shit?
Yeah,
sister dad, his cousin got a shop in Grand Prairie.
For bikes or just a shop period?
Yeah,
for bikes?
It's where he keep his bikes at. But I need to be at a shop because I gotta have
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't. I gotta have somewhere where I can sit the screws down. Cause it's gonna be a lot of screws. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you strip this whole thing down.
I'm gonna have to.
What shit? I'm confused. Come with the screws.
So tomorrow we gonna go look, bro.
Shit, I plan on buying, bro. On the finish, we gonna go look at that.
They say he plan on purchasing tomorrow. Hopefully, we gonna go look tomorrow. What is it? R6 Gixxer. R6.
Yamaha only cuz.
Yeah, I'm getting sold on Yamaha too. Shit, if you get an R6 too, then I'm gonna have to. Shit, we'll all just have R6. Yeah. So.
It's okay to be different.
No, I'm just saying if.
Dare to be different. You know?
Yeah, if y'all both got R6s, it'll only be right to get an R6. Yeah.
Dare to be different.
I mean, if you get something else, if you get a Gixxer.
Everybody just have neutral colors. Somebody get white or some shit.
Got the Brimbos. You say you want to take these off?
Yeah, it's
What color you said your favorite was?
Right. White and blue.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull the fairings up, how they already look, painted. It's like a Yamaha blue and white. I'll pull the pictures up for y'all so y'all can see his fairings and stuff.
Bullshit, no shipping them bitches. Yeah, I am.
How long they told you now?
About a month.
It's been
about a month.
Yeah. I told him to go the cheap route and take it to
Information number and tracking, bro.
let that
cheap route.
paint shop.
You go to cheap route, you know. You gotta, maybe gonna get some good fairings.
Well, no, not cheap on fairings, just yeah,
Unpainted.
yeah. Get it painted, powder coated, wrapped.
Whatever you want to do with it.
Right.
Plus you'll
Goddamn squirrel, man.
right.
You're fucking with me.
You say the squirrel fucking with him.
Bro, this nigga has ran all up and through here, dude. Like, fuck. First he was on the tree chilling and shit, just sitting over it, niggas.
Alright, y'all. So came to the end of this video. My boy Malik right here. That little clip y'all seen at the beginning of the video, I know none of that was in this video, but that's gonna be on the next video. So y'all stay tuned. It's about to get real, man. We was with my boy, kicking it with Q. He a YouTuber as well. He had like 6K subs. We gonna do way more riding. Also his buddy, what's his name? Lewis. And he had the R3. Malik was on his R6. I was on my father-in-law's cruiser. So y'all stay tuned, man. We got a lot of content on the way. I'm gonna try to get these videos edited up for you guys and dropped over the few days. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Share the video. And tune in next time.